made up of the molecular, the Purkinje, and the granular cell layer. Okay? So again, this one is the cortex. From this portion, for example, and in the middle, this portion is already your medulla. So this one is the molecular layer. This portion in between, this one is the granular layer, and in between is your Purkinje cell layer. So this is where you can find the characteristic cell called Purkinje cell. And again, that's where do you find your Purkinje fiber? In the heart. Specifically, what sublayer? Sublayer. And class, that is your Purkinje cell. They are described as flask shape. Anong flask? Pero mas mukhang early layer. Yan, class. Oh, very nice. So, pag Pinoy dyan, identify self-pointed Purkinje cell. Organ in focus. Cerebellum. Okay? Cerebellum. Layer pointed. Specific layer pointed. Purkinje cell layer. Okay? Pwede, pag cerebral cortex lo, anong tanong natin? Ang sagot ng... O, class, ano sa inyo? Dark staining. Ano? Oligodendron. Okay? What did you say? If we ask, what is the layer of this organ? Cortex. No. Pag sinabing specific layer pointed, yun, kaya ito. What is this specific layer pointed? Granular. Pag may specific. Okay, so those are the things you have to see.